Okay, so this video is going to explain the Brief 1 collection of documents of the PPD module. As you know, you go to the My Courses section of your Moodle dashboard, click on the little man, PPD, Professional and Personal Development. That's Maria's course. You scroll down to Julianne's Brief 1 collection of documents. So as I explained in class, you have this document that I've started on, and this is the one that I would recommend you write in for Brief 1 collection of documents. So make sure you put your name in the header and your class there, and then you can start writing what you will be including in the folder. So this is basically a document you're sending to me to explain what you have already submitted, and also explain the additional documents that you're going to be submitting. So here you'll write an introduction to say what you'll be including in the folder. And when I say folder, I have a folder, an exam folder of all of your documents that you have uploaded to Moodle previously. So for a lot of you, that's your SWOT analysis, your career goals, your personal statement, your CV. So all that is included or is referred to in this document. So you're writing that there. If you've already done your personal statement as part of your CV, you just copy and paste it in here. If you haven't, here's an example of one you could use, and then you could just get rid of that when you're writing it into this document. If you need help writing one, I have a link to a website that will help you write one. Also, just mention that you've previously sent in your skills audit and your CV, so please find attached my CV or below the skills audit I filled out. I learned a lot about myself, so that's just all you really need to say in that section. Then the next section is on the 2 job applications. So you're literally either copying and pasting the job application that you've previously written for communications in here, or you're referring to it, to the one that you've already sent me in email or one you already uploaded to Moodle. And remember, your letter has to have a to address, a from address. It needs to have the date, and it also needs to refer to the actual job that you applied for, and make sure it's relevant to the career area that you are referring to in your PPD module. So I've written an example text for an application letter. If anyone needs help writing one out, you can copy and paste that into a separate document, or you can modify this and leave it in this document. I just need proof that you're capable of applying for a job and you're doing it accurately and professionally. And that's how you're proving it, either placing it here or giving me a separate document and referring to that document in that paragraph here. Please see evidence attached or below or sent previously for 2 jobs. So you need 2 job applications, or you could just send me 1 job application, or 1 application and proof that you have registered with LinkedIn or Jobio or irishjobs.ie or Indeed. If you've already applied for jobs in the past, show you are capable of making a profile in those types of job platforms, either by showing me a print screen or print a PDF from the website itself and include that, and then refer to it here just to show I've also included my job application or my LinkedIn profile. So just write that here, so then I can, and the external examiner can then refer to where that file is in your exam folder, if you understand what I'm saying. And the very last thing is the funding applications section. This is a large proportion of the 40 marks. So make sure that you have either included your SUSI grant application from 2020 or your VTOS grant application. So go to the website and print screen the website to show that you've done that and paste it into this document, or send me a separate PDF. Or if you have no SUSI grant or any grants of any kind, you could just send me a budget that we have previously recorded a video of, or I previously recorded a video of, my college budget. It's here in the brief collection of documents section in the PPD website. The spreadsheet is here, so that's the one that you can fill out and send to me. It looks like that. So you're literally filling in your monthly income, your monthly expenses, then your semester expenses, and it handily then converts the semester amount into a monthly amount. And then it gives a lovely summary in graph style here, and a percentage of income spent graph here as well. So that's a really nice, simple spreadsheet that you can include in your folder for your maximum opportunity of getting a distinction. So I hope that helps for brief 1, explanation of PPD.